In this video, we will show you how to install projector headlights on a 2008 to 2012 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by opening the hood. Now let's go under the front bumper and remove 4 plastic clips. In the fender well, we will remove an 8mm screw. Now onto the top of the bumper. Here, we will remove 8 plastic clips as indicated by the red arrows. Carefully, tug on the sides of the front bumper, then remove it. Remove 2 10mm bolts and then the headlight bracket. Next, remove 2 more 10mm bolts towards the top of the headlight. Now we can remove the factory headlight. Connect the headlight harness to your new projector headlights, then place it in the stock location. Now we can replace everything in reverse order of removal. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.